Welcome back to the train channel. We got a CSX train. Let's roll it and check it out. Got a YN, oh, they got a YN2 or YN3 trailing in this. The manifest. Yep, that's a manifest. This is gonna be the CSX M3 something this time, not the, it was a 4 earlier. It was a 4 symbol earlier. Hopefully that phone stays live. I'm pretty much gonna be ending stream number 1 here in a couple minutes after this train comes by. I almost got the NS light power move and I didn't. I'm going to end stream number 1 here in a couple minutes after this train comes by. We're getting a lot of train. It's our 4th train today. This is the first in a camcorder version. Our 3rd in a camcorder. We got at least on every train on the live stream and on the camcorder version today. There's a lot of tigers in this. Maybe it's the F331 if there is. It might be a better model on it. Sometimes we have a great mixed thing. So, yeah. I got at least got 1 train with a DPU. My goodness. It's a big train. It's like the NS. It's like the NS area. There's some sand hoppers. And I think there's the leadership coming. Yep, there's the end. A lot of sand hoppers on the end, and there's the end. This is the CSX M300 something manifest train on this Thursday, June 12, 2025 from the Jeffrey the Train channels on YouTube. There's like a lot of tankers in this. There's a lot, and then there's a lot of sand hoppers on the rear. So, all right, that's going to be it. We'll be back on with another train if there is one. Talk to you later.